The time for our world to take action, it's now. We don't have any more time. The environment itself today is not as healthy as it could be. And being part of a corporate organization, we have the ability to make a difference. We have the ability to have impact, and we have the ability to have action turn into results.
Konica Minolta has a long history, and all the time innovation is an important part of Konica Minolta. This means that we apply our digital technologies not only for the stakeholders, but also to contribute to the society. We go beyond the traditional or conventional sustainable management. We really like to utilize our digital technologies, which is really important, and we can contribute to the sustainable development goals.
When you get people leveraged around a topic where they see purpose in it, they tend to take action, which is what's really important for the sustainability topics. And it gives us the ability to build momentum and to generate outcomes we're looking to achieve. The environmental management system at Konica Minolta is a system that enables us to have access to information and to be able to understand what's happening collaboratively and across geographies. And it lets all stakeholders, whether you're an executive of the organization or an individual stakeholder, identify what's important to you and where you might be able to plug yourself in to take action.
Konica Minolta Europe is a carbon neutral company. We help to integrate the carbon neutral program for Konica Minolta, which means Konica Minolta can calculate the carbon emissions. We help them to reduce the carbon emissions, but also to offset the unavoidable emission. Konica Minolta was one of the first movers in this field. That's very important, that we are a first mover which are really taking it seriously.
In the end, we like to commit to 100% renewable energy by 2050 and create the values for the Sustainable Development Goals by the year 2030.
So Konica Minolta is doing a lot of things to encourage our employees to be sustainable and to create that environment of awareness, whether it's biking to work, focus on electric cars. We have stations where people can plug in. In our U.S. operation headquarters, we have solar panels that cover the entire parking lot where we're putting energy back on the grid. I've been working with customers and business partners and stakeholders across both Konica Minolta, my company, trying to bring awareness to the sustainability topics. Whether that is for, like when we have a meeting, we recently, instead of giving gifts to the attendees, we all bought trees in Kenya. We also enable small businesses in the poverty-stricken areas by giving them a tree where they can actually start a business so that they can sell the fruit as the tree starts to bear, and then that gives them sustainability in their community. We're building products in our innovation agenda that enable us to have impact for future decent work for employees in all workspaces. So our activities and our actions, as well as what we're bringing to market, we feel are going to impact the world for a better place. Since 2015, we've already had an impact of 16 million kilograms of CO2 emissions in a compensated reduction. And this is enabled by our services like Enabling Carbon Neutrality and BizHub Eco. Sustainability to me means that we have a place for my grandchildren to thrive. Everybody is part of the solution and not part of the problem.